This review is on the Panasonic Inverter Genius Sensor 1200 watt microwave. This has been just a powerhouse for my family. We use it daily. It's not too big. We can put it on a countertop, or as you can see from the video, we actually have it plugged into our pantry. And so we have it up and off the counter. It just does a great job. It's got several different cooking cycles. I particularly use the power level, which is in a sense like one of the defrosters. You can regulate what level of power you want, and it does a great job of not slightly cooking your food that you're trying to defrost. It does have a turbo defrost as well, which you can put how many pounds or kilograms that you're using, that it'll regulate what the defrosting needs to be. The popcorn does, microwave popcorn bags, absolutely perfect. Like, we have the best luck. We just put the bag in and push that button, and it just works incredibly well for us. It does have a timer. It's super intuitive. It's super easy to use. You just push the button here to open it. It's made of glass and of stainless steel. Nice big capacity inside where you can put a casserole, or you could put a large piece of meat, but it's not terribly heavy. Microwaves in general are sort of heavy, but this one we were able to lift up with no problem for it to be off the counter. So for us, it's a really great piece that it serves our purposes. It's just the right size. It can be on the counter or built in or into a kitchen utensil cubby, but it's just been a really great product for us, and we would definitely buy this one again. So if you're looking for a microwave and you want a little bit of versatility of where you want to place it, you might consider the Panasonic Inverter Genius Sensor.